Yep, copywriting day 143. So what I did today was I wrote a sales email for this email sequence that's happening. And basically it's just like a case study about a specific course. So it's a testimonial from a guy who went through the entire course, and we based the email off that. And we added a call to action for that why am I stuttering saying this word? For that specific course. Yeah. So what that means is this other course is a $33 course, and the way I'm going to do it is anytime, like, I'm not going to hard sell the course, but anytime there's a case study that's directly correlated to a specific course, we're going to promote that. We're going to have a direct call to action for that course. And then at the bottom, at the very bottom of the email, inside of a PS, we're going to say, if you want to check out my other courses too, here's the link tree. And the reason I'm doing that is just so it doesn't feel like it's a hard sell. It just feels like we're giving them access to what we have. It's like we're letting them in on it. We're not actually like saying, yo, like look at this, look at this, look at this. We're saying, here it is. If you want it, you can have it. So I think this will work better with her audience because it's just like the type of creator she is. It does she's not like the kind of salesy creator. It's like more of like a neutral, like she's just trying to guide them to help them and shit like that. So hopefully this works. I think like fuck. I think I get 10% of all course sales that I get through my email. And so if this course sells tomorrow, which is the direct one that we're doing the call to action for, I'll make like $3 per course. And I hopefully there's 1,100 people in the list. So yeah, probably will happen. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on what happens with the email sequence. And another thing I did today was I was just looking at sales pages. I found two like pretty big creators that actually use Framer to make their sales pages, and I actually learned a fucking lot. Like the sales pages that were made with Framer, I was like, whenever I first seen the website, I was like, holy shit, that actually looks really good. And then I realized they both used Framer to make it because there's a way you're able to check. So if you go onto someone's sales page, and you know the way if you like right click a website and then it says inspect, you can click inspect and go to like where is it? It's in the I should probably show you on the screen, but it's just in the elements. So like there's a shit ton of text on the screen, and it'll say like the actual website they used to make it, so like Frame or whatever. And another way of checking is there's this website called Built With. So like uh I'll pull it up now with there. So how do I do this? I'm just trying to think. So I move this down a bit. Yeah. So you go to Built With and you basically just paste in the link for their sales page and then it will tell you what softwares they use to make it. So if you want to like funnel hack people and figure out what they use to make their shit, do that. But basically like what I'm saying now is a lot of people are starting to pick up Framer and you're actually able to do a lot of stuff with it. So it's a useful thing to be able to like be good at it. And yeah, and people who like make sales pages. So like what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna look for people who need like have an existing sales page that's pretty shit and then I'm gonna remake it using Framer, and this is like way better upfront value than like just regular copy as front end value. So like if you write out like it's like imagine someone sending you a Google Doc versus someone sending you a full on sales page that they can just incorporate straight away. There's no design, they don't have to do anything. Like there'll be a few steps to get it set up, obviously, because it's on a different platform. But apart from that, like they're getting a fresh sales page that looks unreal, and yeah, that's basically it. So the it's just I think that's the approach I'm gonna try now for the next like few weeks. I want to look for people, make them a sales page, send a video of me talking about the sales page, give them a link so they can actually go and view the sales page themselves, and yeah, I'll offer to give it to them. So yeah, that's basically all that was happening today, and yeah, I'll let you just know how many people basically just what way the email sequence, like the actual email performs tomorrow. And yeah, if you want to ask me questions and shit, go ahead in the comments or join the Telegram. I forgot to put the link in the description of the last videos, but yeah, you can join that if you want. And yeah, see you.